a son have trust in God. That's why ibintu bya iringira Imana si ibintu by'abana. Ibintu Dawidi avango tukunda kubiresita kuko birikwisha neza amarangamutima yacu. Abandi biringira amagare n'amafarashi. Ariko ngiye niringira Uwiteka. Let me tell you one thing. It's one thing kuvuga ngo niringiye Uwiteka aho abandi biringira amagare n'amafarashi. Uri kubabona afite amagare ntayo ufite. Dawidi ntabwo abivugiraga ko yabivugitse neza. Nuko yajyaga mu ntambara n'abantu bafite amagare n'amafarashi. We ntayo afite ari ku maguru. Ariko akabatsinda. Where did David grow? Apana mu nzu ya papa we, apana kwa Saul, n'ishyamba. Circumstances zigoye, ziremere, nizo zidukikuza. Is 2025 gonna be hard year? Lord, please make it harder. Because the sun does not manifest in good days. The light in me does not manifest in during daytime. Make it harder. Make it darker. Because it will pain me. But on the other hand, it will manifest me if I don't give up. Now, this food, that's what grows your spirit. Aho tukubwira ngo ibibazo ntago bihari uyu mwaka. Imana igucira inzira ikurwana intambara. Uyu mwaka ngo nta ntambara nimwe Imana izakurwanira. Izafata amaboko yawe, izakoresha amaso yawe, izakoresha ubwonko bwawe, izakoresha imbaraga zawe kugira ngo igwane intambara. You will never see God any place. God will be in your hands. God will be in your mind. Christ in us, not Christ outside of us. Some of you want Christ in their side, yet Christ manifests within you.